Habakiran bat kinong patai kubor Menteri Rang Ba Berim Kejelau Dr. Mukul Sangma. Lekan thau persya ek Sorkar jela kebelah ben Siew Tulop juga Nongtrei District Council hak jela dan ukshitrik unai wiang mentang Islam. Malulong baro ke bagi Sorkar kalek hab menlong pok jong kejeng kubor jong keriti sinchardi bat kamla menlong da kejeng angnuat ne jeng perkhat besimet jong nuru. Dr. Mukul Sangma lepen pau kejeng sokya bagan kejeng simrai ke Sorkar kelak ben keta ke bot rekam jong District Council kembali yo kejeng ada ne keriti sinchardi bat ula bu jekli la ke Sorkar keladat meniselok chuan bagi District Council haswa ben sim negara. Ula ke noru bagan kejeng thmu ke Sorkar kelak ben eiei ke bobure lyndet nang ban pentron di District Council haga jaka ban klan yaki ulong bagi Nongtrei ke Garo Hills Autonomous District Council kim simlayo ek tulap ke jongki mentala palat ya kasau-sau guna bagladon ki jingshim gisenjam ban pentikna bagi Autonomous District Council bakin la ban jam saprang igene gejing ek basipor pada shimik senjam ban pentikna bakun gene gejingja kan jasho ndrei hakmai pat kaliang Sorkar kelong bakamla ban leyei bat kentat gejingit klie bat thet ilaki uang bakani ka digi ke ba amla ban diang satya namar bag Sorkar kari ban snguthu e gejinglong jingman jang gejingja ban snguthu ru e gejingkong san jang ki Autonomous District Council ka bai kerwo ka bam ai gejingkermen ya kipat ba.
You see, you know, you are aware that for last 43 months they have not received salary continuously, and then now these 43 months will become 44 months. And under the present circumstances, what was expected from the side of the government was that, okay, there's a breakthrough. There has been certain decisions, concrete decisions we have been taken to ensure that the ADCs are able to somehow sail through this kind of crisis for the time being. And we are taking measures to ensure that this similar situation is not repeated. But on the contrary, what the government has said is that they can't do anything. They have struck off their responsibility, washed off their hands. So that is something which is not acceptable, because the government has to understand the sensitivity of the situation, the gravity of the situation, and understand the importance of ADCs. Will the ADCs then become redundant? If the government says that the government cannot do anything, that is the kind of message which is not something which gives hope for the people. Therefore, people have to question, and therefore people become more and more confused, and people have reason to believe that the incumbent government is insensitive to the situation, and this insensitivity also reflects their lack of concern about the responsibility of the government towards further strengthening the ADCs. Rather, on the contrary, this whole stand of the government is indicative of the government's probably hidden agenda to weaken the ADCs. Otherwise, what explanation can actually convince us otherwise? Do they have some hidden agenda to weaken the district council slowly? Because even the offer of the government that the salaries of the employees of the ADCs will be given directly by the state government with effect from 1st November. That is a conclusive decision. Is it not? If they are saying that from the 1st of November they are going to do this, that is a conclusive decision. I am wondering as to with whom have they discussed this issue? Have they quietly discussed with other ADCs? No. They have not discussed with ADCs. Then are they not infringing upon the autonomy of the ADCs, which is contrary to the actual mandate of the constitution? It is quite irony. Now, government saying that, okay, your employees are your employees, your autonomous bodies, so I have nothing to do with. But then at the same time, they say that, okay, for the employees, I will give the salary directly without you knowing. It's something like if you have an employee in the house, then somebody says that, okay, I pay salary to your employee in the house. Any financial reforms that the state has to embark upon must be consistent with the provision of the Constitution of India. Every single paisa which is supposed to be spent must be inconsistent with the mandate of the Constitution of India. You have the subjects under the union list, state list, concurrent list. So these are all governed by the mandate of the Constitution of India. Where and how the fund should be spent. You also have the Article 280, where the Finance Commission takes the responsibility of, to some extent, curating the approach of spending of money from the public exchequer. So, therefore, everything that the government does has to be within the mandate of the Constitution of India. It cannot be anybody's wishful thinking.
Unong elam kaliang persya ula kentu ke Sorkar jela bakan ke bahusiar. Ke bapet ngor bat ke basim kia ke jingma ke belak ban mi bat ban wengi ke jing ke bapin longi ke samla ban ia so ne ban seng ki kenhun keng atiar. Dr. Mukul Sangma ula bu jengkeli halo ke jingja haka bedai bagi jingwan penem wat jong Udrishti Rajkowa unong elam berem jong ko ulfa a South Karo Hills. Dr. Mukul Sangma ula itu ba menshwa ula kedawa ke jingdan jong Rajkowa Harilom Garo. Badi kini lepen sisya hadian bagi jingwan pendem buat no jong u bad hadu mentai kidan katuk kani gijingkeli bagi Sorkar kampar la berjubab. Ba ula bu jingkeli ru igijingdan jigi katuk kanengut kibreu ke pesenran lang yau Rajkowa hakapor wan pendem buat. Dr. Mukul Sangma ula kentho ru ik Sorkar badi menteri rang ba kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma ba ukloi bed ban kentat bad wat ban kentat ru ban cim gijingkit kliak ban pentikna gijing suk bad ban khanglat gijing mi biang jongki kam king atiar a kajela.